Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Foundation Friday at Glam It Up with Glama. Today I've got a brand new foundation to let you know what my first impressions are and what my reviews after using it are going to be. So what it's called is New Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. And the better skin caught my eye and I thought, what is that all about? And I wish I would have done the review when I was supposed to do it last Friday. I think I bought it like Tuesday or Wednesday of last week and I was going to do it for Foundation Friday. I got busy. I was watching my granddaughters, my Glama girls, and so I got to being busy, took them to the river and went swimming and stuff. But anyway, I came home later after buying it and I thought, I wonder if there's any reviews on it already and what they think about it. There were none yet. I didn't realize that I had picked up a product that was brand spanking new. I thought it was just new to me, even though the bottle said new. But then, like a couple days ago, I went and checked again to see if there were any new reviews on it, and there were tons. So now there's tons of reviews on it. But if you're still interested in knowing what my opinion is on this foundation and watching me apply it for the first time and getting my first impression, then keep watching. Oh, and guess what? Yesterday I was looking, I got my new Glamour magazine, and just a few pages in, what do I see? I see the foundation that we're going to be trying today. So yeah, the benefits, it's called, like I said, Better Skin, and the benefits, it's supposed to be saying bye-bye to spots, dullness, and unevenness to your skin tone. So yeah, it's supposed to have a lot of good benefits. So yeah, let's see. So what color did I get? I got 30 warm nude for my skin tone, so I hope I got the right color. Okay, so first I'm gonna do what I always like to do. I'm gonna do the little test and to see just what the consistency is like, if it's runny or if it's a little thick. Okay, so I'm also going to be doing something a little different than I've done in my other foundation reviews. I'm going to do one side with a damp beauty blender, and I'm going to do the other side with a stippling brush. Normally what I do is I put it on with the stippling brush and then I blend it out with the beauty blender. But I got to thinking, not everyone has a beauty blender, and not everybody might like a beauty blender. Some people are more brush people. So I thought I'll do one side with the brush and one side with the beauty blender, and we'll see if there's a difference. I've got a feeling there is going to be a difference. I've got a feeling that this side with the brush is going to be more of a full coverage, and this side with the beauty blender is going to be more like a medium coverage, because the fact that it's damp, it kind of it makes it a little bit more luminescent on your skin. So if you like a light foundation, a light coverage, then you're probably going to want to get yourself a beauty blender if you don't have one already. So anyway, let's get started with the little pump test. And it's a glass bottle and it has a pump, so I love that. Let's see the consistency, see if it's runny. It's not. I like it. I can already tell that I'm gonna like it, because I just hope I got the right color though. So okay, let me put that on there, and the rest of it I'll put on my face. All right, so let's get started and see what this puppy looks like on my skin tone. Okay, ready? Okay, so there is one coat right there. I'll get a little closer so you can see it. Here's the coverage with one coat. And there's the before. So I do like the coverage. Now I am going to put some on the other side with the beauty blender. And with this as well, just kind of don't do rubbing motions, do pouncing, little stippling motions. And I don't know if you can see it, but I can see that you can still see through to my skin a little bit more than you could after the first coat with the brush. So if you like a lighter touch of foundation, then you definitely want to try a beauty blender. Okay, so here it is. In person, it looks it looks like it matches spot on, but I know on camera it makes me look a little ghostly. Alright, I am going to go and get my full face of makeup on. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with my full face of makeup on. What do you think? I think it works well after putting on all of your other stuff like your blush and your bronzers and stuff. I think it looks really nice. Yay! And I love my new lipstick that I just bought too. I'll have to show you that on another video later. But yeah, I give this 2 Glama thumbs ups for sure. I like the consistency, and I know that on camera it doesn't look like it matches my skin as well as it looks like in person. Looking in the mirror in front of the window, it actually matches my skin really, really well, so I love it. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this for at least a week or 2 and see if my skin does look better. See if maybe some of the under eye circles start to disappear a little bit, or maybe some of the red patchiness that I usually get, maybe that'll subside a bit. I'm excited to find out. Yay! If I do start to notice little differences in my skin, then I will definitely let you know, or I'll come back and put a little annotation on this video in a few weeks or so after trying it longer. So yeah, I like it. I think you should go out and try it. Alrighty guys, I will talk to you later, and next video will probably be a Payless haul. I just went shopping and I bought some shoes and jewelry, and then I also went to Belle, so I might do 2 separate hauls, or maybe I'll just combine them both. But yeah, I'm going to show you all my awesome stuff that I bought. Maybe I'll try it on for you too. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with, okay? Alrighty, I love you. Bye. Mwah.